I'm Louise O'Brien, Managing Director of Greyhound Box. We manufacture corrugated cases. My role is to lead the business, develop a management structure and make a scalable business for the future. I'm really humbled by the nomination and I really value being recognised, but I do think it belongs to everybody because the people I work with, things don't happen without their input as well. The biggest changes I've seen really are the cost of materials in proportion to the selling prices, but about everybody's had to be smarter and do more with less, and I think there's no waste really allowable. You've got to be really smart with everything you do, and I'd say it's got more and more important as time goes on. The last 18 months have been sort of very difficult, and I think the growth hasn't happened as we expected pre-pandemic, but we are growing in many different ways within the business. I think the managing change would be to do with efficiencies, developing some new products, looking at how we can do more with less, training, offering new training to staff, whatever role they may be in, because there's always something that can help them. And I think looking forward, we've done slightly different deals with our mills, our suppliers. We've ensured that our suppliers work with us and are assessed in line with, say, ISO accreditations. So we've improved relationships with suppliers and with customers. There are many jobs in manufacturing, so there's accountancy, there's project management, there are sales. There's so many jobs other than just working in the factory making a product, which in itself is very rewarding, making something. And so you've got to think about all the things that fit together to actually make that product and send it out to your customer. So investigate every side of the business. It's not just about working in a factory and making something. Factory environments are safe, they are clean, and there can be a great environment, team building, team working, there can be a great environment to work in. But there's so many other jobs that are needed, and you've got to look at all the roles within a business.